Dear students, welcome to my channel. This channel is only for you. Today I will discuss exercise 1.4 of chapter sets. I have already discussed question number 1 to 4 in the previous class, and question number 5 is your homework. Next, question number 6. If A 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 is a set, B having elements 7, 9, 11, 13, C 11, 13, 15, D 15, 17. Find A intersection B. A intersection B means elements both belongs to A and belongs to B. Here 3 is not there. So which are the common? First find out which are the common elements. 7, next 9. So 7, 9 intersection. Both belongs to A and B, and 11 also, this one also common. Next, B intersection C. B intersection C, which are common elements? 11, 13. 11, 13. Next, A intersection C intersection D. A intersection C. A intersection C, what are the elements? 11. Only 11. A intersection C. Intersection D. Intersection D. 15, 17. That means no element is there. You can write 5. Next, A intersection C. Already I have written here 11. Having only one element. B intersection D. B intersection C. These two intersection. There is no common element. So this one 5. 5, or you can write curly bracket. A intersection B union C. A intersection, A means 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection B union C. B union C. B union C, 7. All elements will be include either in B or either in C. 13, 15. So, intersection which are common element? Only 7, 9 and 11. These are the common elements. Next, A intersection D. A intersection D, no common element, this one 5. A intersection B union D. A intersection 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection B union D. B union D, these two. 7, 9, 11, 13. 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 and 17. Elements either belongs to B or belongs to D. Now, which are the common elements? 7, 9 and 11. 7, 9 and 11. 7, 9, 11. So, I think all of you understood. You can write the notes. Next question, A intersection B. A intersection B, already I have written 7, having element 7, 9 and 11. 7, 9, 11. Intersection B union C. B union C, here I have written B union C, this one. 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. And intersection, which are the common? 7, 9, 11. This is the common. Next, A union D. A union D, first you have to write A union D. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 15, 17. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 15, 17. Intersection B union C. B union C, these two. 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. So, now which are the common elements? 7 common, 9 common, 11 common, Elements are 7, 9 and 11. Next question number 7. If a x such that x is a natural number. X such that x is a natural number. That means elements are 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. The set B, x such that x is an even natural number. Even natural number 2, 4, 6, 8 up to infinity. Set C, x such that x is an odd natural number. That means you can write 1, 3, 5 up to infinity. D, x such that x is a prime number. Prime number, what is prime number? Prime number, the factors of the number only 1 and the number itself. That means 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 up to infinity. Now you have to find A intersection B. A intersection B. Intersection B means only even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 That means simply you can write this one, the set B. You can write the set B. A intersection C. A intersection C. 1, 3, 5. That means odd numbers. 1, 3, 5 That means odd natural numbers. You can write simply C. A intersection D. A intersection D. This one. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. That means you can write 1, next 4, next 6, next 8, next 9, 12. That means you can write x as that x is a non-prime number. Non-prime number. You can write in this way also. Non-prime number. B intersection C, this one, B intersection C, no element is common here or this one even. So you can write simply 5. Or you can write simply in this way with curly bracket. Simply you have to give curly bracket. B intersection D, B intersection D, this one, B intersection D, here elements 2, next, here 4, no elements are common. So B intersection D, having only one element, and this one singleton set and this one null set. C intersection D, C intersection D, intersection here 1 is not there, 2, 3, you can write 3, next 5, next 11 up to infinity. So these are the solutions of question number 7. I think all of you understood my class. Next part I will give in the next class. If you understood my class, don't forget to like, comment and share to others. And if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next class. Thank you for watching.